So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease volume in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do this is pretty simple. As you can see right here, I already have my clip with my audio, and as you can see we want to decrease the volume that we want. So it's pretty simple to do this. So all you have to do is go to your inspector, head on to your audio. From there you will have to locate your volume. From here you will see there's going to be this button right here. As you can see, it's hovering over this. This is the point where you want to mark the audio, where you want to decrease or increase it. So if this is the point where you want to decrease it, just place the volume down, as you can see right here, and it slowly gradually decreases the volume throughout display, as you can see. So now if you want to increase it gradually in this next clip, so here you can do the same. So you can add another point marker right there and increase the volume. So there you go guys, it's just that simple. You can also adjust it right here, as you can see. So you can also adjust the point of where you want to do it. So here it's going to show the decibels and the timestamp of what part you're trying to do. So as you can see right here, it's going to decrease and then increase. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.